Question 7. The temperature T of water in a lake in degrees centigrade in a 24-hour period is given by the trigonometric function T, the function of T, is equal to minus 2 cos bt plus 20, where b is a constant and T is the time in hours from midnight. The graph of the function is given below. Now, just good to have a bit of background on this. We are actually dealing with a cos function here. It's this graph over here that we are dealing with, as we see here, minus 2. So A is equal to minus 2. B, we are going to work that out, and then you get plus 20. So C is equal to 20. Now, in this graph here, if I draw a line through here, through the sort of middle point there, you can see that these values are 2. And this is this 2 value in front. The A is what we call the amplitude. So it's a minus graph. Because it's minus 2, it starts over here. This is a different color. It starts on this side here, and it goes through there and up through there and down like that. It's like an opposite graph. So we see that this value here is equal to 2. That's the amplitude. Its starting time T is equal to from 0. So this is actually 12 p.m. at 12 midnight is this value here, and then it goes, so obviously this is 4 a.m. in the morning, 8 a.m. in the morning. So let's answer the questions. Write down the time at which the water reaches its maximum temperature. Well, its maximum temperature is over there at 22, and that is going to be 12 hours, so it's going to be at 12 noon. That's when it can be, see, because it starts from midnight, so it'll be 12 hours from then. Write down the temperature at 6 a.m. That would be over here. At 6 a.m. is over there, so that is going to be at the temperature would be 20 degrees Celsius. Write down the time interval during which the temperature is higher than 20 degrees. So it's going to be higher than 20 degrees from here, from there, this red bit over here. Now we see that takes place from 6 a.m. up to 18. So from 6, so from, let's do it here in terms of these time intervals here. It's from 6 to 18, and it's going to be greater than and less than. It won't be equal to, because we want it to be higher. When it's equal to, then that's actually when it's equal to 20. But this would be greater than, because then we're going to have higher. And then calculate the value of B. Now this over here, now B, the period is given by 360 divided by B. Now the period is for one complete cycle. So we see there's a complete cycle in 24 hours. So it's 24 is equal to 360 over B. So we're just going to cross multiply that. So B is going to equal 360 divided by 24. And when we divide that, we get 15. I think the answer would be, I think it's 15, the answer for that.